Welcome back once again. Now let us continue with the tutorials. So right now what we are going to do is we are going to look at the settings. What settings is all about. Let me show you around. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so I don't have to show you how to log in again because we have done that already. Okay, so let me click on the dashboard. Okay, good, we are here. Okay, good. So the settings, let's go to settings and see what we can do here. At the settings here, let me first click general settings, and let's see over here. That's where you have your thing, the domain name. Okay, here let's make some changes here. Okay, so that's the title is what I find difficult, Nanche Media. Yeah, okay, good. So that's the name of the media. Okay, so I can just write okay, so let me write that. I want to make it caps. Media, okay, media, then slash, let's say, news update, okay, slash news update, okay, or news update or something else. So tagline is like a description. Okay, good. So about which you have to write something about your website. Okay, so social media, so I can just write get latest updates on sports, news, let's say entertainment, news, political news, political news, entertainment, lifestyle and health. Okay, so just something to describe what is all about, what your website is all about. Okay, good. And here too, that is your domain, your URL. Okay, your website URL, and this is the email. So he has to create this professional email, okay, for himself. I think I think there's a mistake here. There should be 1A. So gentlemen, make sure you solve that. Okay, just add that. Okay, and you'll be able to. Okay, so let's go. This is not a membership site. Okay, where you allow people to create an account, something like that. That's where you have to check this membership. But this is not a membership site. Okay, so there's no need, and the rest is okay. If you want to change the date format, okay, you can change the date format and so forth. Then you're good to go. Okay, the time and the others. But I think I'm good with this one. Let me save that. What else can we do here? And then we are done with the reading. Then permalinks. This one is very, very important. Okay, when you come here, we have permalinks. Okay, it's very, very important. I don't know if I've done that already. Always make sure that the post name has been selected. Sometime after the installation of WordPress, and this one may be selected already, but you have to make sure that you select this one and save. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, good, so that it will be your domain name slash and the blog. Okay, good. And it's also good for search results, so make sure you always select that. Privacy policy, we will come to that. The discussion, that is where you read what do you call it, you make settings for comment and others, but it's not that important. Okay, I think the default one is okay. Then the writing, the rest is good. We are good to go. Okay, okay, good. So if you want to have your picture here, you can create an account in any of these. Okay, so that you'll be able to add your picture. Okay, good. To me, it's not that important to be okay. Good, let's go. And what else? So far so good. under settings. That is all. Let me go to tools. I think the last time the site health. Let's see and see if there's something that which needs to be done. Then we can do that. This one is about theme. Okay, the themes add your site looks and feels. Also, your site has one store theme. It's up to date. Oh, okay. So if it is up to date, what can I do? Okay, so let's go back. I think everything is okay. So far, so good. Starting, we have nothing to do here. We are done with all the necessary things that we need to know. Yeah. When you want to change your password, in case along the way, one thing that I can say is that I would advise you not to use a password for a long time. Okay, once a while, let's say a week, every week you have to change your password. Okay, now I've been doing that, and you have to also activate the 2AF. Okay, good. I'm talking about the authentication, so that before you be able to log in, you have to get a code before you can log into your website. Okay, just to protect you. Okay, now let's go to so let's go to all users in case if you want to change your destiny and others. Let's come back to all users, then you select profile. So over here you can decide to add your first name, your last name. Okay, good. And you can decide the name you want to display here. Okay, it's very, very important. After adding the first and the last name, make sure you change it so that when you write a blog post, your real name will appear on the blog post, so that it will not be your nickname. Okay, but if you think the nickname is okay, it is good to, you're good to go. Okay, good. Here you can write something about you. Okay, about you, simple as that. Okay, good. So that's all I can say. If you want to change your password, just come here and click set new password. You see you have random generated one where you can just come here and update it. But before you update it, you have to copy this one and save it somewhere. Okay, or you can decide to type your own password here. I'm not here to do that, so let's leave it. Let's go back to the dashboard. Yes, leave it. I don't want to save. Good. So far so good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.